Weren't they great? My name is Hareem and I'll be on the vocals. We are the Bluebirds. We are singing Viva, Lavida by Coldplay. Hope you enjoy.